Hello everyone. Welcome to this FB live session organized by Kendriya Vidyalaya Balrampur to celebrate National Sports Day. As we know, today we are celebrating this auspicious day to remember Major Dhyan Chand, who happened to be born on this day. It's really a proud occasion for us especially that he belonged to our own state UP. I would like to give you a brief sketch before I proceed. Major Dhyan Chand was born in UP in Allahabad in 1905. When he brought up, he joined Indian Army. And in Indian Army, he met Subedar Major Tiwari, who recognized his talent of playing hockey and he constantly motivated him. It was because of his motivation that Major Dhyan Chand concentrated on this game and eventually led India. He was a part of hockey team which got Olympic gold medal in 1928, 1932 and 1936. In 1936, Major Dhyan Chand became the captain of our team. On the same year, he also got a promotion in army to become Subedar. Actually, he got several promotions in army because of uh, his expertise in hockey. Just to honor him, he started as a Lance Nayak. He was promoted to Nayak, then Subedar, then Lieutenant, then Captain, and finally retired as Major. Major Dhyan Chand actually backs lots of records. He has done more than 400 international goals and more than 1000 goals throughout his career. It was said that if the ball comes in contact with his hockey, the contact remains till the ball goes in the goal. Now, this was so mesmerizing that even Rudolf Hitler once invited him to become a citizen of Germany. But as we know, very politely he refused. That shows his patriotic feelings. Now, such was his magic that once in Netherlands, during a match, his hockey was broken just to find out whether there is some magnet inside which is responsible for this charismatic game. But to the surprise of everyone, nothing came out. Now, to give the respect to such a magic player, our country honored him with Padma Bhushan. And since 2012, we are celebrating his birthday as National Sports Day. Now, in our own organization, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, we have a very established and systematic chain to promote games and sports, right from the housing system which exists at a school level. From inter-house play, a student can go to KVS regionals, then KVS nationals, and finally can play in SGFI. I would like to inform you that KVS has got the status of a state just like other states so far as games and sports are concerned. Now, with this system to promote games and sports, KVS has initiated several programs, including Fit India campaign. Even now, the program is on, and every day our students are participating in it, and more than thousands of kilometers have accumulated as a part of this program, where students every day, every morning, they join a run for a kilometer, half a kilometer or so. We also have eminent guest speakers today for this FB Live program. I would like to welcome Dr. Anandeshwar Pandey, who is associated with Indian Olympic Association and UP Olympic Association. He will be with us. We have Mr. Ratandeep Pal, who is international football player and a coach. We also have Mr. Ravikant Mishra as our guest, who will be interacting with you soon. He is also an international player. I welcome all our esteemed guests who will be joining us soon in this FB Live. Now I would like to congratulate Mr. VK Yadav, who is the man behind this show, who has organized this event. Mr. Devendra Srivastav, who has provided him technical assistance. Hopefully, there is a lot more to come, so keep enjoying. Thank you.